Hey guys, what's up? How are you? I hope that you guys are having an amazing day today. In today's video, we're going to be using the McGrath Mothership and 9 Huetopian Dreams. It's absolutely beautiful. We're going to start with our P. Louise base, and the first shade that we're going to take is Shockwave. I'm going to add that to the inner part of my crease. I really did not know what look I wanted to create, so I was just really winging it and playing with some colors. Then I decided to take Extreme Plum Noir and just focus on in the outer part of my crease. As you can see here, I'm going to be playing with these two colors to where I feel a little bit satisfied and just making sure that it's really nice and blended before we start adding any of the shimmer shades. Now going in with Bronze Solar 005, I'm going to pack that all over my lid as you see here. And just to switch it up a little bit, I decided to go on with a Bronze Desire, and I'm going to add that to the outer part of my lid. As you can see here, I'm just mixing those two together, and I'm also going to run that same color Bronze Desire all over my lower lash. And then just going back with Extreme Plum Noir and just making sure that everything is like really nice and deepened. And now I'm using this MAC pencil, which is in the shade Coffee. I don't know if they still have it. I will link everything down below in the description area just in case you guys are interested. But I'm just creating a really tiny, super tiny small wing, as you can see here. And I'm using this super tiny brush from Refer, curling my lashes, and I went ahead and added Astral Venusian Orchid, and I just really wanted to focus this shade in the very tear duct of my eye, but then it's just too beautiful, so I decided to just really sprinkle that in a third of the way on my eyelid. But I felt like it was missing a little bit of definition, so I went ahead and just added a little bit of more definition with Extreme Plum Noir and this little tiny baby brush from Refer. So here is the first look. I turned down the lights a little bit so you can appreciate the sparkle a little bit more, but let me know what you think about this look. Now starting with the second look, and the first shade that I'm going to take is Secret Eden. I'm going to really just start creating and forming my shape and also bringing it down to my lower lash and doing the exact same thing with Extreme Plum Noir and playing with these two colors until I am satisfied before I go ahead and start with the sparkling shades. Adding this beautiful shade Cosmic Bloom all over our eyelid from the inner corner to the outer corner, just meeting with Extreme Plum Noir. And then right on top of that, I'm going to take Astral Amethyst Moon. I'm going to add it right in the center, and in the inner corner I'm going to add Astral Venusian Orchid and just really focus that in the very inner corner. Then I'm going to just mimic everything that I did on our lid down on our lower lash. And of course, we're going to add a little bit more definition using Extreme Plum Noir and the outer V. Going back with the same brown pencil from MAC Coffee, and I'm going to make sure that I'm going to tie line as well as adding another baby wing, but this one is a little bit thicker than the previous one in the other eye. Adding mascara, and this is the second look. What do you guys think? Let me know which one was your favorite, the first look or the second look. I really cannot choose. I love them both. I think that this palette is absolutely stunning. In pictures or videos, it just does not show how gorgeous this is. But that is it for this video. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you so much for your love, your time, and support. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel if you have not already, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.